Are you tired of the same routine? Are you tired of being the laughing stock of the class? Are you tired of hearing the music of the driver? Are you tired of doing your activities without music? Don't worry, all this is a new solution. Yes, we bring you a new product, innovative and unique in the market. Are the new Walkman shoes, the useful and practical tennis with integrated music player for you to carry it everywhere.
The Walkman shoes offer the chance to give the dual-use product because you can't use as tennis music anytime. You need only select the playlist and ready. As easy as the using the music device such as iPod and MP3, etc.
New let see some evidence of the Walkman shoes. A change the lives of people.